I'm your guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today's recipe, rainbow salad. First, throw in the bib lettuce into the salad bowl. The cabbage is next. The red cabbage.
The first time when I saw you, I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded,
Red pepper.
blown away.
Oh, this salad is very colorful, yeah? You can almost feel the colors of nature all inside in this salad of mine. It's very rainbowish. Called rainbow salad. The yellow pepper. Look at the colors. The onions. And the garlic. Okay. What else do we have? These are crab sticks. I already boiled it and I've cut it. Normally it comes in a packet, and then after I boil it, I cut it, sprinkle it in, and then these are olive oil and brown sugar. I prefer brown sugar than normal sugar because the taste is very different. Yeah. This, of course, is raisins. As everybody knows, you can get raisins everywhere. Oh, the special ingredient. These are nutmegs. These nutmegs are already sweetened. As a fruit by itself, when you pluck it out from the tree, it's actually bitter. Some people say it will numb your mouth. But Southeast Asians are very used to this because the manufacturers, they process it, they sliced it, and then I do not know how they pickle it, but it comes sweetened nutmegs. Okay, you sprinkle it on. So this gives the salad a very unique smell. And of course, lastly, these are the limes. Southeast Asians use a lot of lime instead of lemon. Okay, but when we're squeezing the lime, we try not to get the seed in. That's why I use the spatula to hold on to the seeds, to prevent the seeds from going to the salad. Otherwise, you will all be munching the seeds. Spray the lime everywhere before we toss it. Oh, so much lime juice. It's nice, it tastes nice, it will be very nice.
City dream, and I was at home again beside the stream.
Okay, so what is left? Oh yeah, fish sauce from Thailand. Thailand, they use a lot of fish sauce to replace salt. The one I use is made of squid. So let's just sprinkle in. And so now we are mixing it. Okay? The bowl is dancing. My salad bowl is dancing. So we try to get the fish sauce, the brown sugar, the lime. So we have sweet, we have sour, we have salty, all together. Okay, so it's done. And see how it goes. Okay, all greens, and lots of greens. Yellow, whatever color. Rainbow salad, my rainbow salad. most important, when we put in the sauce, it must not overwhelm the greens. We must still be able to taste the freshness of the greens, the freshness of the peppers and everything else. Alright?
I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze
It's so good.
that I must.
So this is a very easy to make salad.
Is it possible for
Throw in as many ingredients as you want. But if you choose to cut out 1 or 2 ingredients, I think it's still fine. Yeah? You can always make your own.
you has never felt right?
If you like this recipe, just kindly give me a thumbs up and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel and do comment if you have other salads that you want to share with me. Thanks, bye, see you in the next video.
And I was at home again beside the stream.